Hey friends, now we are at the jobs assignment, and this is the most crucial assignment on this whole assignment series. Why it is? Because the jobs will give you the prominent recommendation and will definitely land you with the good job opportunity. Why it is so? Because the LinkedIn is the most prominent platform over the net right now, and you should definitely get the benefit out of it. So what is the real habit you need to inculcate today? First and foremost, visit the jobs tab daily in your LinkedIn app or the browser. Second thing, you need to search and give the proper suggestions and your feedback to any job profile, and it will definitely record it and use it for the next suggestions. So currently I would like to have a job like marketing intern, but obvious you need to select from the drop down, and then I would like to be very specific, like in Pune, Maharashtra. I would be preferring my job, and then just press the search button, and you can see there is a load of companies available for my new job, and there is an easy apply option. Else you can just save this post for right now. In case you are still doubtful, you can have a specific time period. In case they are just taking out all this job post, then you will not be able to see it. So saving is available till your preference is on. So now easy apply is the section, and as you can clearly see, there are lots of prominent companies available free of cost. No agency or no any other hassle is there on the LinkedIn. So that is the beauty of LinkedIn, and I must recommend you to take a screenshot of applying at least 5 jobs and submit the screenshot on this assignment portal. All the best for you, and keep trying your best unless and until you are getting a good job. So thanks for watching, and all the best for this assignment.